Also, if you're trying to install XAMPP and suddenly you get this weird warning pop-up talking about UAC and program files and all that stuff, don't panic. Nothing is wrong with your PC. This is not an error, it's just a warning. And most people get stuck here thinking something is broken, but it's actually not. So what you want to do first is just go ahead and click OK. Yeah, literally just click OK and move forward. Now after that, your setup will start normally, and just keep clicking next like usual. But here's the important part, don't skip this. When you reach the screen where it asks you where to install XAMPP, by default it's gonna try to install in program files, and that's the problem. Windows has this security thing called UAC, which basically blocks apps from doing certain things inside program files, and XAMPP needs full permission to run Apache and mysql properly. So if you install it there, later you're gonna face issues like Apache not starting or mysql failing and a bunch of weird errors. So instead of that, just change the install location. Once you do that, continue the setup, install it normally, and everything will work perfectly fine. And yeah, that's it. Super easy fix, nothing complicated. If this helped you, make sure to drop a like, and if you're facing any other errors, just comment below. I'll try to help you out. See you in the next one.